kind of nasty.
Woo! So we're back with the YouTube giveaway, the RamCharger. We made a lot of progress. We're doing basically a ground up restoration on this. So we started taking little pieces of sheet metal off, the whole front end, the wiring, most of the interior is all out already. That gave us real good access to the engine. It's real nice to be able to work on it like that. So we went ahead and snatched that thing out of there. Big block 440, we're gonna do some performance upgrades to that. We still need to have this 727 gone through, but it looks like it's in real good shape. And the transfer case as well, that's a beast, so we'll get that out. But we were able to really take a better look at the frame and the body and kind of assess the condition of all of it. So the frame actually looks pretty good. It's well greased. There's just a lot of road grime all over this thing through the years. But sometimes that helps. It's not rusty really anywhere on the frame. There's a few little like kind of farm fix things that we saw, like the modifications to the shackles here. And it's got some goofy stuff with that in the back. So we'll go ahead and replace all those. We think we found a set of 1-ton axles for this, so that'd be really neat. That'll put this thing like really in the heavy duty category. And then as far as the body, really not too bad. This thing we found a lot of factory undercoating that needs to come off to really get a better assessment of what we're looking at. But as far as rust, we found a floor pan here in the driver's side that's kind of suspect. We knew from the inside that it's been patched once already, kind of poorly. So we'll cut that out and do a real nice patch in there. And then a couple little spots in like kind of the bed area in the back. So really not a lot, all things considered. The body looks like it's in pretty good shape, but we're gonna start cleaning all this stuff off, all this road grime and factory undercoating, and get a real good look at it. Of course, anything that needs to be replaced is gonna get replaced. And then we'll go ahead and undercoat everything so that it lasts another 50 years with no issues. So we're really looking forward to keeping moving forward on it and get you guys a really badass RamCharger.
You blink.
Still blink. It's gonna get a little messy, so we're gonna scrape all this crap off this car, or most of it. So this thing definitely was in the woods a lot, so it's really not bad, all things considered. So we're finding rust where we thought there was rust, and then a few little spots that we didn't know about until we took the undercoating off. But really not that bad. We're just cleaning a lot of this. Somebody went heavy on the undercoating, which probably helped, probably saved a lot of this from getting worse.
So what's the solution here to like holes like this?
This is just like, we're gonna build a whole patch panel for this, make it look factory. Somebody had welded another patch just right on top of the rust, and that's just the wrong way to do it. What happens is the rust just keeps getting worse, and then your patch panel gets rusty. So we'll cut that out, cut out everything that's rusty here, and Junior will fab up a new piece and weld it in, and it'll all be good.
It's my Tesla wheel.
Now we'll see how good it off-roads in the car.
Dirty work, but somebody's got to do it.
going to quality powder coating to drop off the RamCharger frame and get this thing all sandblasted and powder coated up.
How long do you think that's gonna take?
They said on the phone that they're like couple day turnaround, so hopefully early next week we'll have this thing back. When we get back from this, I'm gonna start ordering up some leaf springs, and then we'll go pick up some axles and just kind of get prepped for when it comes back to start putting things back together and make it a roller again.
Nice.
Drop off a frame for powder coating.
3 days later.
She's freshly powder coated. So now we wait for a few more parts to come in and start putting it together, make it a roller again, and then send this thing out to paint.
Oh yeah. Dude, it looks good.
Yeah, it came out killer. Compared to what we started with, like a
Dude, right?
oily, dirty, old frame. Good as new now.
Oh yeah.